This is the line for gas, I think. Oh my god. All lined up for gas. This is the way that I usually take. और यहाँ पे थोड़ा पानी करके. This is not how it looks, guys. इसमें अगर 10 आ सकता है तो पूरा 10 इसी में भरा लेते हैं. इसमें करने का फायदा क्या?
If the 10 goes, we can select.
If it can, then that's fine. Yeah, if it can, like all 10 in this, that's fine. At least हम लोगों ने टेम्पर जनरल आउट पेशेंट ब्रैंडन से पूरा फुल कर लिया टैंक. आई मीन 10 गैलन की कितना या कि कौन कौन ले जा रहा है और कितना ले जा रहा है सब नोट करके. एंड दे आस्क फॉर माय बैज. ये पूरा पानी से भर गया मुझे लग रहा है और ज़्यादा.
So at least चलो गैस भर गई and there was no line.
क्योंकि अभी 7 बज रहे हैं ऑलमोस्ट. लाइक 7 बजे तक की था. 5:40 हो रहा है.
अचानक से भीड़ हो गई.
This is how many hours of without electricity now?
72.
72 से भी ज़्यादा आवर्स हो गए हैं. और हमारे अभी भी पूरा कम्युनिटी में बिल्कुल भी लाइट नहीं है.
Except for the people who have generators.
Yeah, people who have generator, they are the ones who have electricity, but
And are not complaining about the fan.
oh my God,
Not
यार,
abandoning these.
I can't believe it कि हम लोग ऐसे में रह रहे हैं. बिल्कुल ही इंडिया की याद आ गई है यार यहाँ
Ooh,
पे.
you want me to tell you ghost stories?
No, I don't.
Aww.
Seriously यार, this मतलब पहले तो यहाँ की टेम्परेचर ने रिमाइंड करा दिया था that this feels like India. और अब यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी भी चली जा रही है.
That makes you feel like India.
Yeah.
This is India, and the climate is what you were trying to escape from, and now it's coming right back at you. Not
ये देखो कैंडल. कहीं दीप जले कहीं दिल.
No, but it looks like there's like 3 candles instead of
काफी भूतिया टाइप का हो गया.
one. Oh, wait, I'm gonna tell you.
एक्चुअली मुझे मत डराओ, मुझे बहुत डर लगता है. सुनाया नो. Great. Now it's gonna be even late for me. another long day. This morning I left at 7:30ish, actually 7:15, and coming back home, it's already so dark. ये लाइट कब आएगी? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं है हमारे पूरे घर, like community में, and it's been, today is 14th October. हरिकेन आया था 9th को और अभी तक लाइट नहीं है यहाँ. माय गॉड. Snow.
Oh, also, Mama, I got the Dragonette Prophecy so we can read it together.
Okay.
Wings
Got a
of
book.
Fire.
Okay.
Yay!
Finally we got electricity. Yay! Thank God. अब थोड़ी normalcy आएगी life में. Shana's favorite.
This is your North Pole weatherman, Blizzard Bob, reporting live from the front steps of Santa's Work.
You're listening to ENN, your Elf News Network. Scoop Yuletide, reporting live from... Jingle bells, jingle bells.
This is your North Pole weatherman, Blizzard Bob, reporting live from the front steps of...
Should we get this?
Be sure. ये वाला.
Or this, because it has like everything. Because Mama, look, it has everything. It has the weather station.
This is your North Pole weatherman, Blizzard Bob, reporting live from the front
Because it has
steps
like
of
it has like everything.
Actually, this is a really good Walmart. They have really pretty things. Like one of the prettiest thing that I think I found here is this. This is so pretty. Look at this one.
Take it away.
Shania, look at this one, My Texas House, and it's not even that expensive. It's only like $10.98. Some of the other prettier things. Look at this one. Like all knitted. If only I knew how to knit, which I don't. This is stocking.
Remember the thing that you showed me where they had like their cat in like one of these?
Oh my gosh, yes. I think this is a really pretty Walmart. ये वाला देखो शना, ये कितना cute है. Ooh, this one, like for snowy. Yeah, this one would be so nice for snowy.
It is snowy.
It's really cute. This one. tree skirts. Actually, this one looks better, no? Oh my gosh, they have such pretty ones. I think all this collection is so pretty. My Texas house.
There's also a fidget. Fidget. Good one. Okay, so
Shania is gonna show us.
the thing. And so then there's this. Okay, and then there's this, and then lights up, and then everything, there's sparkles go everywhere. Unusable. How do you turn this thing on? Oh.